How's everybody doing? Well, we got another nice one for you here. A real survivor, 1975 Corvette, two-owner car, stacks of history, stacks of receipts, everything going back to practically new. California car from new, been in Arizona the last 35 or 40 years. But before we go into all the details, do us a favor, hit that subscribe, like, and share button, leave some comments. We really appreciate it. I know it's redundant, but it really helps get the videos out there. Beautiful 1975 Corvette, two-owner car. Original orange, black leather interior. One repainted a number of years ago. Car comes with a stack of receipts and a stack of history. Let me pop in some pictures here of some of the receipts. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff that comes with this car. Original owner's book as well. 350 V8, automatic transmission, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. Everything works on the car. Headlights, taillights, turn signals, backup lights. Headlights work perfectly. Let me pop a little video in here. As you can see, they go up and down smoothly, just like they should. High and low beams work as well. Beautiful factory 15x8 Chevy rally wheels. It's a factory orange car, factory black leather seat car, and this car even has the original leather interior in it. Garage from new, and it shows. Drives wonderful. This is just a no-nonsense, no-brainer car. Just a good survivor 75 Corvette with a good pedigree and a good history. I've been driving the car for a couple of days. No issues, no problems. Goes down the road smooth. Transmission was rebuilt. There's a receipt that goes with it. Shifts tight, shifts firm, no major leaks. Car's nice and dry. Just a good, nice car. Body is clean and straight. All the body lines are nice. Doors open and close, nice. Hood opens and closes, nice. I'll get everything open here in a minute, and we'll do another walk around on the car, have it running, and you can hear it and everything. And then, of course, we'll take it on a test drive. Now we got her opened up. Listen to the motor. It runs smooth. It's quiet. Car's had new hoses put on it, new master cylinder, new starter, new water pump was done not too long ago. There's receipts for everything. It's quiet, no strange noises. Underneath the car is beautiful. It's got a nice new aluminized exhaust system. Just a real sweet car. There's not too much I can say about it. The interior on the car is excellent. Car runs 195, 200 degrees all day long. It's been idling outside today for a while, for probably 10 or 15 minutes. Doors closed nice, gaps are good. It's 110 degrees here in Phoenix today, and the car is not like hot where it's uncomfortable. Headlights work. I'll show you those again. There we go. And down. Let's get her buttoned up and go for a ride. Alrighty, let's take it for a little bit of a test drive. We'll go from here. All the gauges work. All the instrument gauges work. Good oil pressure. Sits around 200 degrees. It's over 110 degrees in Phoenix here right now. Signals work, brake lights, tail lights, backup lights. headlights, all that stuff, all the electronics. Got an aftermarket custom auto sound or classic auto sound radio in it. It's got a set of extra speakers in the back. They can always be taken out or left in. They're pod speakers, so they're not drilled into anything. Nobody cut up the door panels or anything like that. It does have a steering wheel cover on it. However, the steering wheel is mint underneath. It's just that in this temperature, having a suede style steering wheel cover on it makes it a little bit more pleasurable to drive when it sits in the sun. Transmission shifts firm and crisp. It drives absolutely beautiful. T-tops come with a T-top bag. All the seals and the rubbers and all that stuff are just excellent. Honestly, this is just a really nice Survivor car. The prior owner that we got it from had this car close to 40 years. All the receipts, everything that's ever been done to the car whenever the car needed maintenance, he just went and had it done. You know, he didn't mind spending the money. He was an older gentleman, and that was one of the reasons he was selling the car. It was just getting harder for him to get in and out of it. He was getting up in age and decided it was time to gotta watch his dip. There we go. It was time to move on from the Corvette and get something that was a little bit more friendly for an 85-year-old. But I'll tell you, if you met the guy, there's no way I would have thought he was 85 years old. He was the nicest guy. Gave me the whole history on the car. He bought it from a buddy of his back, sometime in the 80s, and his buddy bought it brand new in Woodland Hills, California. That's where it came out of, or in that area of LA. We've gone through the car, gave it a service, didn't need anything. It is ready, turnkey and go. Let's get it back to the shop. We'll do a wrap up and we will see you there. And there you have it from rpmotorcars.com. rpmotorcars.com. 1975 Corvette, 2-owner, all original interior, 1 repaint a few years ago. Excellent car, stack of receipts, documented ownership and history. Check it out on our website, dozens of pictures. Any questions, give us a call. Phone number and description below. Thanks for tuning in. Happy motoring, and we'll see you on the next one.